How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to the channel of SPC Kennesaw. We're actually not in my location again. We're actually located in Shelby, North Carolina with my old friend SPCPeachtree City.
Hi.
And we have a special guest. Say your name.
This siren is over-filmed!
There you have it.
Damn much, look at this! Look, he got that. We're here, and there it is!
Yeah.
It's filmed too much, that's the
Ready
problem.
to be filmed again.
Yeah. Oh, let's add more to it, shall we? Yes! Look, let's see, how many would you got? What, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 f***ing videos of this thing!
Yes!
Make it 8!
Make it. Okay, mate. Anywho, and the current time is actually 11:50, so we're about 10 minutes away, and we're here to record that beautiful, legendary tomato red siren.
How does the first recording of how does it have 40,000 views and counting? How does it have that many?
6,000 subscribers. I mean, what?
How does it have that many?
Yeah, no questions, eh?
He's out. He's out.
Oh, there goes Dick Richard.
Oh no.
Uh-oh. No, 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 no!
Attention all units at 12 o'clock noon today. There will be a test of the Cleveland County emergency warning system. Only sirens to be tested. Again, it's only a test. It'll be at 1200 hours.
Hey guys, what's up? It's Clay Ranger 143 here along with
SPC Kennesaw
and
SPCPeachtree City.
And as you can clearly tell, we are not home. We're outside in Cleveland County right now. Is that them? No, that's Spartan. That's a fire call.
That's a fire call.
But anyways, yeah. Well, we're already back with radio reviews because why the hell not? And yeah, we have this.
And we are all the way located up in Shelby, North Carolina to record the legendary.
Yeah.
The legend.
Red 3T22 and it's going to be loud because, yeah. I don't know how else to tell you this, but yeah.
It's black. I have my watch right here, so it's on there. Oh, 3, 2, 1, and
so guys,
oh, there we go.
In this episode of Radio Reviews, we're definitely going to have a lot of fun here today because it's going to be great. Because in this episode, we're going to be reviewing the Uniden Bearcat BC 92 XLT NASCAR edition. And as you can hear the tones going through the scanner right now, yes, they're pointing at it, because in 3, 2, 1, ready to go! gonna get the test announcement soon. They did it.
Holy crap. You see the bearings? That is amazing. I've never in my life ever seen inside of that 3T22. And right now, it is currently 12:05, and me, SPCPeachtree City, and our special guest, oh my god, I'm out of breath, Claire, Ranger 143, will be joining along with us. So stay tuned in the next episode, and I'll see you guys later.